Hi guys, so I am in Bali and I just did the glam makeup. So like this is my like resort kind of like Bali beach makeup. So I'm gonna show you how I did this today. Look at the beautiful hotel anyway. This is a bathtub, it's so beautiful. So let's get started. At the first, I am going to moisturize vitamin C serum. And especially the sun is really strong here, so I am using the sunscreen La Poche Posay. I hope I'm saying right. Make sure to put on the hand as well. And I am using this contact lens because I sometimes like it, sometimes I don't. And today I feel like to have it. This is my first day of using it. And a lot of people ask me what I use, so this one I got last time I went back to Japan. So I am using this. And I'm drinking coffee. My girlfriend, she made me a coffee because we're in Bali and on holiday, and then we're gonna go nice restaurant after, so I want to do like really glam. So I am using Estee Lauder, and I've been loving this foundation for like how long now, like 7 years probably. Like I've been using this because I like the cover of it. So and using beauty blender. I got lash extensions before I come here, and I did a quite natural one. I got flat lashes, so it's basically classic lashes, and I did like shortest one I ever had because I wanted to have like mascara look. I didn't want to have like too long, so but like going to swimming pool and stuff, like lash extension is so easy, especially on the holiday. Alright. And now I am using Charlotte Tilbury Bali. I sometimes use this one without the foundation that I just had because this one gives you like glowy look. But I want to do like a proper glam look today, so I'll put like double foundation and this. But most of the times I'm only using this foundation. And I am using brush to blend. Like that. And then next I am using concealer. I'm using a YSL concealer. This is like a brush, so it's so easy to use. And using beauty blender. And then I am using this contour from Fenty Beauty. I usually put my jawline and also the cheekbone and forehead. And then I am using another contour. I use these dark ones. This is 4th day in Bali, and I do really enjoy it because we're staying in such an amazing resort. So like we're staying in like relaxed hotel. We went to nice dinner, but unfortunately since yesterday I had a little bit of a cold. I think just because like hot weather, cooler weather, going to swimming pool, get cooler and then warm again. So I got like a little bit sick. Had to take medicine. So yesterday after massage we went to pharmacy to get some medicines. I feel a bit better this morning, but I had to take another medicine, so I hope I'm gonna feel better. And next I am using the highlighter. These are mixed together. My girlfriend, she is ordering coffee at the moment. And now I am going to do the brush. I got this one, Addiction. This one is from Japan, but this looks like manicure. But this one doesn't go away, like it stays like 24 hours. So I really like this, and I usually don't put too much brush, but today I will put a little brush because I'm on a holiday and I feel like I like the looking of like summer beach kind of thing. And I would put like where you put the highlighter, so you kind of get like beach look. So I get that beach look. And then using this brush to blend. The sun is coming out, so beautiful here. So we are staying in a hotel named Kempinski. That place is amazing. I will come back here again. And then I am going to do my eyebrow. So I usually like to wet this brush, so I use water, and now it's wet, so I mix it like this. So my room service is here, and at the beginning I like to do this and then brush it up. The other side too. That was quick.
Yeah.
And the first I like to use like contour with the brush, because sometimes when you use this kind of like sculpt, the eyebrow sculpt, you get like so crusty that it doesn't stay the color inside the eyebrows, the between the hair. So I like to do like this. Then I am using Got2b. This is like a stronghold. So the first one I will do the eyebrow shape, and then I put like a little bit of like darker base, and then I'm using this stronghold eyebrow sculpt. So I'm using this eyebrow pencil to have between, and I like to have a long shaped eyebrow because mine is quite short. I used to like pick the eyebrow when I was younger and it doesn't grow anymore. So I add a little bit of shape like here. So I just did the eyebrow, and I am doing my eyeshadow. I use this darker color. I got this palette from Japan, Korea. It calls Pro Slim Eyeshadow Palette, and I am using this darker color. Like to do a little bit of like cat eyes, so like I like to do like this, and then using this highlighter light color on my finger, and I put a corner of my eyes and a bit over here. And then I use eyeliner. Then I use mascara for bottom lashes. I use Media. I got this one from Japan. It's quite cheap, like $7 or something, but it does the best job because even though you go to the water, it stays, or it doesn't give you the panda look. So I really like using this. And then at the end, I am going to delete one of the influencers that I was following. She was recommended to do like contour around the lips, so it gives you the looks that you've had a filler on. Like this. And I am using a MAC lipstick, and this is called 544 Bushing Castle lipstick. It's like a kind of like brown kind of lipstick. I never had brown, more like I usually like pink kind of based lipstick. I got this one for my birthday and I try it on, and I actually like that kind of like brown lipstick, brown color lipstick. And now I'm ready. I'm gonna do my hair later, but makeup is done now. Thank you for watching. Bye!